Welcome friends, welcome back to Excel tips and tutorials. Today actually we are going to see how we can adjust the height of the column and the width of the row using a simple shortcut. Not using the options in the menu but using simple shortcut which can save a lot of time for us when we are dealing with a huge data. So here I am showing you an example like we have a small table but this is applicable when we have a huge table with us, a huge data with us. So here you can see we have a data, it's a sample data, name, location, age. So if you see the height of the column is different. For example, the height of the column having mark is greater than what Anub has, and Jane has a little height. So all these are having different heights that doesn't look good. Similarly, the width of the rows they are also different. So let's see how we can uh, synchronize all this and make it uniform, make all the width and columns, uh, height and width of each rows and columns uniform. Okay, so for that first you have to click anywhere inside the table. Okay, click control plus A, so it will select the whole table. Then after okay, now we have selected the table. Now the next step is click on Alt key plus HOI. Click on Alt key. Do not release it. Then click on HOI. See, the width of the column has been made uniform. Okay, it has been optimized. You can see the difference. I am just undoing it. See, before it was like this. When I clicked on Alt plus HOI, it became compact. It's actually fitting in, but still the column height is not uniform. It's different in each of the columns. You can see here. So for that, we have to make the column height also uniform. For that again, click anywhere inside the table. Click Control plus A shortcut key. Then click on Alt key plus HOA. Alt, Alt plus, sorry. When I click Alt plus HOA, everything, all the column height became uniform. It has become everything looks fit inside the table. I'm just repeating it. Control A, then Alt plus HIA. Uh, Alt plus, yeah. Now it's working fine. So just try it out from your end. So if you're this is a small data, but when you come across a huge data, these shortcuts will be very much beneficial for you. So you can use it anywhere. So that's all for today. So just try it out on a huge data and see how it works. So hope you enjoyed this video. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and share this with your friends and also provide your valuable feedback in the comment sections. So if you're coming to this channel for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you get notifications whenever I upload new videos on this channel. So till I come with my next video, please stay tuned. Bye.